Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Let's talk about Palantir again. Last week was not good. We lost 15%. This was mainly due to the earnings that were not received too well, but also the overall market. And we've been saying this for the past couple of weeks that if the market was gonna correct and we get like a drop of the Nasdaq of like 5%, then Palantir would also go down with it and probably even more. And that's exactly what happened. It was kind of a toxic cocktail last week where we had the earnings and the overall market coming down that caused the stock to correct and to cause people to taking some profits on the stock that has gone up a lot already. We do have to still realize that ever since May, the stock went up a lot. It's still up over 100% since May. So we got to be honest, it's still looking good long term. However, for now, last week was not good, but this also means that we do have some new entry points for the stock, and that's exactly what we're going to look into in this video. So first of all, we did have the break of the 20-day, which was already a very bearish sign, and then we also broke below this support, which was the same as the 50-day. So this was another very bearish indication. Stock dropped more, and eventually we ended the week flat on Friday at $15.40. Now, where is the support? Where could we be thinking about buying Palantir again? Now, when you look at the moving averages, there's a lot of space left until the 200-day. Now, I don't think we will go down that far. There are still a few levels to watch. Now, first of all, it's this low level of the $14.60 and the $13.60. Those were the last two dips that were being bought, and those are exactly the levels to watch. Now, we did manage to get a very nice entry here last time, and it was at around the same level as this small little intraday dip on the end of May. So we do have to look for reversal candles. Now, potentially, when you look at the candle of last Friday, it's very, very similar to the one we saw on June 23rd. Now, of course, we got to see and watch Monday, tomorrow, what the stock will do, but this definitely could be an indication of a potential reversal. And it is exactly at the same level as the low of July 10th. So this could be the reversal day. And if tomorrow, if next week we're starting to get green again, I definitely think that we might have seen the dip for Palantir. If it doesn't happen, if we go lower, we do have to watch the 1460 and the 1360 for potential bottoms or entry points. But for now, tomorrow, Monday is going to be important. Also, Tuesday, Wednesday, continuation of the week. Now, if you are a little more cautious and you say, well, I do want to wait for real confirmations, then I would personally wait until we break the 20-day again. Well, there are a few reasons. First of all, there is the reason that the 50-day has not really been too big of an indicator for the stock. As you can see, last year we were basically going below and above the 50-day, and that wasn't really a big support or resistance. Well, the 20-day has really shown to be a big support or resistance for Palantir in the past. So that to me would be a better indication for where the stock could move to. Now, why I also want to wait for a break is because there is a potential for a head and shoulders pattern. So we got the first shoulder right here, and then we got the head, and there is a potential that if we are not going to break higher, that we are going to see a head and shoulder pattern, and that's not too bullish. So I think a break of the 20-day, it's now at $17.30. Now that will come down in the next couple of days. Now, if we're going to break that, let's say next week or in 2 weeks, and we're going to close above that, it will be very, very bullish. And then we might attack the $20 again, which is the big, big resistance for this year. And I've been explaining that a lot in the past. So first of all, I would wait. If you are a little risk averse, I would wait for a break of the 20-day and basically also a break out of the past resistances we had. So that would probably be around $17. Let's say from here on the close above $17. That will be for me a very good indication to buy the stock again. Now and then, of course, the big resistance will be at the $20. And that's still from $17, almost a 20% gain you can get if the stock is going to move above the $17 and the buy trigger is placed there. Of course, if you want to take more risks, you could take an entry tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday if you see a green day, and we might have had the reversal already. If you're a little bit more cautious, watch for the $17 break. Now, if we do break the $17, that would mean that we are going to attack the $20 again. Still my target for this year, and we still have over 4 months left. Still, the target for me is $25. But of course, first we do have to break that $20. And as you can see, why is it such a big level? Now we see that in the past it was support right here, and also in this area right here it was support. Now previous supports are new resistances, and we already saw that this was probably going to be the big resistance for August, July, August, and it was the big resistance. So we are going to try and get a second attempt later on in this year. But first, we do need the green close above the 20-day moving average, above the $17 for me for a buy indication. Now, please in the comments let me know, are you going to buy Palantir already at this level, or are you going to wait for a further drop to the 14 or even $13? Let me know in the comments. Also, please let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. And also, please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And then I hope to see you all the next video.